going to show you how to do a 2x2 rib in the round. So you can see I've already started. I've done a couple of rounds. 2x2 rib just means 2 knit, 2 purl. So knit 2, purl 2. And so in this instance, I would knit 1, and then I would knit 2, and then I would purl 1 and purl 2. So there's a couple of things going on here that I want to point out. When you do a knit stitch, you can see that it's a knit stitch by reading your knitting. So look at these stitches right here and see the little V's under them. So those are all knit stitches. And then if you look at these two stitches, you can see the little purl bumps. So these are purls. So I knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, purl 2. So now I'm going to knit 1, knit 2. I'm going to move the yarn around the needle and to the front, and I'm going to purl 2. So the trickiest part about this is just how you move that yarn from front to back for knit and purl. I just completed 2 purls here, so I need to move the yarn to the back. And so it's really important that you go through the 2 needles and around to the back before I knit. If I go up and over like that, which is a very common mistake for a lot of new knitters, is now I have this extra stitch and I can't figure out how I got that extra stitch. And it was because I went up and over instead of around to the back. So make sure when you're switching back and forth, that's the hardest part in ribbing, is that you're going around the needles and not up and over. So I just did 2 purl. I'll do 2 knit stitches next. And then it's the same thing when I come around to the front for the purl stitches. Don't do it like this, up and over. Go around and through, and then do your purl stitches. And as long as you remember to go around and through, then you should be fine. So around and through, knit 1, knit 2, and then around and through to the front, purl 1, purl 2.